series of social media posts by prominent Ugandan political figure Norbert has ignited fresh debate over the integrity of the nation's parliament, the use of lethal force by police, and the nature of public discourse, punctuated by lighter moments of self-depreciating armor from the former minister himself. The threads paint a picture of a political landscape grappling with issues of accountability, leadership, and public perception. The most pointed political commentary came in a post where Mao articulated a clear dichotomy facing the 12th parliament in its forthcoming choice of leader. He framed the decision as one between a leader who sees himself as a steward and one who sees herself as the owner of the institution. While no names were explicitly mentioned, the gendered pronouns leave little doubt that Mao is drawing a direct contrast between the current Speaker of Parliament, Anita Mao, and a potential challenger. This statement, posted under the hashtag Save Parliament, suggests a fundamental critique of the current leadership style, which he implies has treated the institution as a personal possession rather than a public trust. Mao asserted that regardless of other opinions on the journey to save Parliament, one outcome is indisputable: the way the ordinary people in Uganda see Parliament has changed. This indicates a belief that public consciousness regarding parliamentary conduct and leadership has been permanently altered by recent events and controversies. This theme of parliamentary integrity was extended in a separate, more caustic thread. Mao defended an individual contextually understood to be Speaker Mao against scrutiny from the Daily Monitor newspaper, which had reported on someone bringing in $10 million of some hard-earned money. Mao accused the publication of jealousy about people who seek to enjoy the fruits of their hard work. However, his defense took a deeply ironic turn when he immediately dragged President Yoweri Museveni into the fray, remarking even the president must be jealous of the people who dip their hands into the public till. No wonder he calls them corrupt. This rhetorical move is multi-layered. While ostensibly defending the speaker's right to enjoy returns from legitimate business ventures, a phrase echoed by a commentator in his thread, Mao simultaneously invokes the president's own anti-corruption rhetoric to slyly question that very source of that wealth. He positions himself as a defender while keeping the question of public till corruption squarely in the public mind. In a starkly serious threat, Mao addressed a shooting incident near the Speaker's residence that has gripped national attention. A police officer, Humphrey Mwangizi, was charged with the attempted murder of a woman. Mao revealed a personal connection to the case, stating, "The victim is married to a person I know and is related to a close friend." He vehemently criticized the police narrative surrounding the event, calling it a telltale. Specifically, the claim that the suspect was hitting the car with a gun, but then he discharged bullets. Mao dismissed this explanation, invoking the well-known rules of engagement for lethal force. You don't unleash it unless your life or the life of another is in danger. He argued that even the accused was invalid, pointing out that a movable heavy metal barrier could have stopped any intruder. His conclusion was damning. Where there is no reason, there should at least be an excuse. In this case, there appears to be none. Providing a brief respite from the weight of political and criminal justice issues, Mao showcased his self-aware humor in two other posts. He issued a public apology for a technology fox pass, confessing he had mistaken an iPhone 7 Pro Max exhibit for an iPhone 15, candidly admitting, "I'm not very knowledgeable about phones." In a separate, more philosophical post, He shared a meme depicting how social media increasingly tries and fails to explain his concept simply called Mao. The meme amorously illustrated the wild misinterpretation, with arrows leveling the Mao idea as a fan, a whale, a spear, a rope, a snake, and a tree, a playful acknowledgement of how his political and intellectual persona is often distorted in the digital public square. And with that, we will start bringing to you technology updates and technology teachings. Thank you.